everyone! Finally, we have received the complete episode list of Miraculous Ladybug Season 4. Yes, of 26 episodes, 16 episodes has already been released. 3 episodes, Episode 5 Psychomedian, Episode 9 Gabriel Agreste, Episode 21 Dearest Family. We know the titles but they have not been released yet. So now we have the titles of the remaining 7 episodes. Episode 15 Glaciator 2, Episode 20 Killeen, Episode 22 Ephemeral, Episode 23 Kuroniko, Episode 24 Penal Team, Episode 25 Risk, Episode 26 Strike Back. Though Miraculous team has not revealed more information about these episodes, let's see what we understand from the titles. Episode 15 Glaciator 2. Glaciator was the episode 3 of season 2. In that episode, Manet meets Alia and her friends for a treat at Andre's, the legendary Parisian ice cream maker, but Andre is acclimatized into the villain Glaciator. Now, we are going to get Glaciator 2 in season 4. So to some extent, can we say that Andre is again going to be acclimatized? Let's wait and watch. We have also received the release date for this episode. France will be airing Glaciator 2 on 24th October and Disney US on November 6th. Next, episode 20, Killeen. Killeen is associated with Chinese. And considering the positioning of this episode before Dearest Family, where Manet's family is getting acclimatized, can we assume again someone from Sabine's family will be acclimatized in this episode? But I'm a little bit worried seeing this. The imminent arrival or passing of a sage or illustrious ruler. Is this somewhere related to Master Fu? What do you guys think? Do comment and let us know. Episode 22, Ephemeral. Ephemeral means lasting a very short time. So honestly, I have no clue on what this episode is going to be. But this is the 100th episode of Miraculous Ladybug. As per the initial scripts, we got to know we will get to see most of the superheroes except Cat Noir working together against the villain. Episode 23, Kuroniko. Kuroniko literally means black cat in Japanese. So I think in this episode, it will have something with Kagami and Cat Noir. Or maybe due to some reason, Adrien is not able to use the Cat Miraculous and instead Kagami gets to be a superhero. Episode 24, Penal Team. Penal Team, yes, team. So it could be a group of people getting acclimatized like episode Gangs of Secrets. Maybe some team playing football and the whole team getting acclimatized. Or will you get to see the 4 new superheroes teaming up together in this episode? The news is, in season 4, we will see 8 new superheroes and so far we have seen only 4 superheroes. We are expecting 4 more and only 10 more episodes are to be aired. So we might get to see them in any of these episodes. Episode 25, Risk, and Episode 26, Strike Back. We know the last 2 episodes are going to be the last attack of Shadowmoth, where Shadowmoth makes a plan, sends Adrien out of Paris and takes help from a supervillain to get Miraculous from Ladybug. So these are the list of all the upcoming episodes. Still 10 more episodes are to be aired and we have the airing dates for 4 episodes. Disney US have released their release dates for 4 of the episodes. Episode 21 Dearest Family on October 24th. Episode 15 Glaciator 2 on November 6th. Episode 9 Gabriel Agreste on November 20th. Episode 22 Ephemeral on November 27th. Episode 15 Glaciator 2 will be released by the France channel on October 23rd. And as we all know, anytime now we can expect Mundo Gloop to release trailers of these episodes and also early release dates. So let's see if we will get to see this episode on 12th and 19th, 2 consecutive Tuesdays in Brazil. Let's wait and watch. Have a miraculous weekend. Please do like, share and subscribe. Your likes really encourages us. Don't forget to shower us with your likes. Thank you. Bye.